So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of emails right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to reply with some selected text right here. Let's say over here, it says, I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out to express my admiration for the fantastic content you produce on YouTube. So let's say I just want to use this particular text and reply out this email. In that case, once I select it, you can see the 4 options that pop up right here, as you can see. But what I want to do is I want to click on reply. Once you click on it, what happens is that a reply will pop up, as you can see, with that particular text right here. Only that selected text, as you can see right here. You can also go around, select out full text right here and use it as a reply as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and select it right here, let me just go around and select it. You can see that this is what I have. I can go around and reply, and then what happens is that that will select out, but I need to discard this first. So let's just go around and then select these all sentences just like this. So let's just go around and select it over here, and then you can see that I can go around and reply, and all of the selected text actually pops up just like this. And that is how you can attach out selected text in your reply in Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.